guys, welcome back to Blakewrtv Kitchen. And you know, yesterday we talked about more likely last night, we seasoned up that jerk chicken for you guys. And we have to let it sit for at least 8 hours overnight. It doesn't have to sit that long, but that's even better because now our jerk chicken get the right amount of marinating time. So we're gonna go right ahead and look at what it looks like. We're about to cook it now. So let's go and unfold it. And this is the first time it's gonna open, guys. There we go. This is our chicken, guys. It's been sitting in the refrigerator overnight, and this is what it looks like. We're about to go ahead and put this baby in the. We have to put this in the oven, guys, because we don't have a way to jerk. Because it seems like it's gonna rain outside, so we might have to just go ahead and jerk it in the oven. But we already have a rack set up and a grill, so it should be giving us the same setup as the grill. Okay, guys, we have a fire sheet right here. We got some holes through it. As you can see, them small holes, we put a lot of holes in it. That's gonna allow the chicken juice and the fat and everything to burn off the chicken and go right through the foil paper. There's a grill underneath, so you can just sit on top of the grill, and the foil will just allow all the juice to go through. So before we put our chicken on it, we're gonna go ahead and spray this down a little bit. Put a little spray so nothing sticks. Here we are. About to put the first piece on. What do you think about this chicken?
This chicken is gonna turn out so good. Can't wait.
Okay, let's put our first piece over here. Let's get this thing straight. Here we go. Next piece. These kind of big, don't it?
Yep.
You know, when you jerk chicken, you don't want to cut them too small. You know, you want to get them out in big sizes, just like that. Some people like to put the part with the skin down first, so it can burn off in the thing. There's some wings right here. What's your favorite part of the chicken?
The breast.
You like the breast? That's my favorite part of the chicken. Okay, so this chicken only got 2, so I can give you half, right?
No.
Why not?
1.5.
1.5.
Yes.
So that means I only get quarter.
You won't get half.
No, it's only 2 halves today. Remember?
Oh, 2 halves?
Yeah, this is two breasts. I'm cutting in 2,
Okay.
so you can get half when I get half. It seems like you want to just go and take the whole thing. Oh man, you want to leave the chef with any? Okay, look at it. What do you think about that? Ready for the oven right now. Put a little spray on it so nothing sticks. There we go. Put a little spray on it. And look, delicious already, guys. Oven. And here we go. The oven is set to 400 degrees. Let's set it in the oven right here. Now we're gonna do that for about 45 minutes. Okay, guys, we are about to make that. What are we making again?
I don't remember.
Oh my gosh. You forgot what we're making. We're making jerk chicken. Jerk chicken, and we're gonna make. Okay, guys, this is the well, we have the jerk chicken earlier, and we have the nice seasons and herbs in there. And here's our vegetable, guys. We have some bell pepper, we got the yellow, we got some jalapeno, we have some carrots, we have some zucchini, we have some bell pepper over there again, squashed. What's the difference between the zucchini and the squash?
I think those are 2 separate vegetables.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, so here we go. First of all, guys, we're gonna go ahead and add our vegetable in here, and we are gonna steam them down. Let's put all of them in here. Get all of them in here. Get in. Do you want to cook too? Can you cook? Okay, guys, we have some chopped scallion. Pour them into. We're making a delicious bowl right here. Just like that. I'm gonna give it a little stir. Get me a spoon. Just like that, guys. Give it a little stir. You're gonna basically just steam this down a little bit. I need to cut up a little bit of onion on top. So, and then we're gonna go ahead and steam it down. Okay, guys, it's a nice big onion. Let's go ahead and cut it up. Get some nice slice out of it. And what are we doing with this onion?
Dice it up and add it to a pot.
Nope, we're not gonna dice it up. We're gonna slice it up. Remember we did.
Slice and dice.
Yes, the slice and dice is different. So this we're gonna slice it. And there's many ways to slice onion, right? We can either cut this big gigantic slice like this with a cartwheel all the way down, like that, and then you can just go ahead and make a cut inside of it. And look at this. When you do that, look how it break up.
Like a rainbow.
Just like that. You can cut another one. Just get a big cartwheel slice. Careful not to cut your hand when you do this. Okay, guys, we're putting some onions on top here. And again, we're gonna make this steam down a little bit. And this is what we're gonna use for our jerk chicken. This is a vegetable. All the good, nice vegetable you need in your daily diet right here. This is a veggie pot right here.
That looks delicious.
Okay, guys, that's the jerk chicken right there. As you can see, they came out nice, golden brown. Now our jerk chicken looking delicious, guys. You can see what they look like. Let's flip them a little bit. Yes, they are. Nice jerk chicken. What do you think about the jerk chicken?
Nice and delicious.
Nice and delicious?
Mm-hmm.
You want to bite? I thought you love jerk chicken. Well, let's see what you think about my jerk chicken.
I think it looks great.
Nicely done, right?
Mm-hmm.
All the herbs and spice on it. Look at that. Jerk chicken 101. Here we go, guys. Our jerk chicken is good, guys. Fresh out the oven. We didn't have the grill, so we have to put them in the oven and put them on a rock. So that means there's no juice. The juice runs off on the bottom. So this is as close we're gonna get to the grill. Yes, guys, check out our delicious mixed vegetable in this pot, guys. This pot is packed with nutritious vegetables, guys. Give you all your vitamin C, and it's go right in with our jerk chicken. You want to serve that on the side. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. Hey guys, our jerk chicken is here. We're about to cut into it. We're finished, guys. I'm gonna show you what the jerk chicken look like. This is our jerk chicken right here, and we're gonna go ahead and take a piece of breast from over here and try it over. So let's just cut in the breast. See what the texture look like. Look at that guy. Look at that chicken. Let's go ahead and cut this up. Cut through that bone. Look at that. That's a nice texture. Another piece. There you go, guys. Look at that jerk chicken. Nice.
Wow. Smells great.
Look at that texture, guys. The jerk chicken.
Real jerk chicken. The piece you got here.
This is another side of the breast. Cut this so you can see it. Look at that. If you guys make salad, this is nice to cut up in your salad. Let's say you have some lettuce and whatever you like to be in your lettuce. It's good to cut up some. If you like chicken salad, this would be the perfect chicken for chicken salad. Or if you want to go with your rice and peas, this is perfect with rice and peas and your mixed vegetables and whatever you want to use. That nice jerk chicken right there.
Well, we've also made some vegetable over here, guys. We didn't show that part because we have another video on our channel if you guys want to check that out. How to make vegetable. And yeah, we got our jerk chicken and festival, and we'll be making a plate very soon.
Okay guys, here we have some barbecue sauce right here mixed with the jerk sauce and some other ingredients in here. This is a sauce we use to put on the chicken. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the chicken. You're gonna give it an additional kick to your jerk chicken, and it has a nice herbs and spice in here. And there you go, ready to eat.